We often get asked, can you use your pergola while it's raining? And the answer is yes, you can certainly use it. Here at Modern Woodscapes, we put a polycarbonate roof on top of the pergola to protect you while it's raining. Here are some reasons why we install a polycarbonate roof on every pergola. Number 1, it blocks UV light from the sun, so it won't be as hot underneath your pergola. This also helps protect the stain on your pergola from fading over time. Plus, if you have patio furniture underneath your pergola, it will protect that as well. Number 2, it blocks the rain and keeps the wood dry while it's raining. This will help prevent the wood from rotting over time. And even though cedar is naturally rot resistant, the less exposure to the elements, the better. And again, it'll keep your patio furniture dry so they'll last longer. Number 3, the temperature will be cooler underneath your pergola. Since the polycarbonate roof blocks the UV light from the sun, it'll feel much cooler underneath your pergola on those hot summer days, letting you and your family enjoy the outdoors even when it's hot. There are several different options for polycarbonate roof systems, and we can get into the specific details of each system when we come on site for our consultation. Having a polycarbonate roof on top of your pergola will keep it looking good and make it last much longer. It's the protection your pergola needs so your family can enjoy it for years to come.